Hi guys, today I will explain how to add key phrase in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy, and this method is work for if you have your previous wallet and you create that without using key phrase, then you can add manually key phrase with the help of my method. So the first thing is open the Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open, the first thing you have to do is tap on the setting icon, which is on the left top. And here you can see the name of my wallet. So for getting access, we have to click on it. Here are my two wallets. This one is demo, and this one is the main wallet. Like we want to add key phrase. And I created this wallet without using the key phrase. So in order to add, I need to click on the three dots. And here you will see two options of backup to Google Drive or backup manually. If you want to backup with your Google Drive, then click on it. But we want to use key phrase. So that's why I will click on this option backup manually. Now tick all these three and tap on the option continue. Now, due to security proposals, the screen will be blank and you can't see anything. But when you will use this method on your mobile phone, then you will see all the key phrase. Now, what you have to do, simply remember all these words, and then click on the option to continue. And what you have to do here, you have to enter tick phrase with their number 1, 4, 7, and 10. So here, you can see I added key phrase manually, and it was the way by which you can add it in your wallet.